Hey crafters, today I'm going to sculpt Weedle out of clay. This was a fun and easy project and only took about 3 hours total, plus a couple of dollars of air dry clay and paint, so it was very cheap to do as well. I do hope that you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you do, maybe you could consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, please let me know what other things you'd like to see me make. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you've enjoyed, and if you would like, I have a sculpting playlist so you can check out. Feel free to comment and let me know what else you'd like to see as well. I really appreciate all of your support. Also, check out our store at dhits.com. We sell all kinds of merchandise, including a book that I wrote. Use the code CRAFTHITS to get 10% off. The link is in the description below. As always, hope you have a wonderful day.